We are observing a rapid shift in how people look for information. Instead of typing fragmented keywords into a search bar, people are pulling out their phones on busy streets and speaking full conversational questions out loud. And they aren't looking for a list of 10 blue links anymore. They want a single, synthesized answer delivered instantly by artificial intelligence. For over a decade, digital marketing had a predictable rhythm. Businesses survived by sprinkling specific target phrases across their websites to rank on those traditional search pages. Now, AI steps directly between the searcher and the web. It doesn't act like a librarian matching text strings. It acts like an oracle, reading across hundreds of sources to generate a custom answer on the spot. Optimizing a website for a machine that actually reads for deep comprehension takes an entirely different strategy than optimizing for an algorithm that just counts how many times you wrote "plumber near me." When an AI cannot map your business to a specific user problem, it simply skips over your site, rendering years of keyword-based ranking invisible in a single query. When someone asks their phone for a local carpenter, this central node represents the AI rapidly evaluating its options. To recommend a business, the AI needs a high confidence score. It demands concrete facts to feel secure in its choice. First, it scans the web for the absolute basics. It looks for a clear definition of who you are and exactly what services you provide. Then, it cross-references where you operate and why you are uniquely qualified to solve the user's specific problem. Yet, businesses constantly fail by hiding two crucial pieces of information: exactly how their service works and exactly how much it costs. When pricing models and service details are obscured, the AI's confidence stalls out. It won't guess. It simply rejects that business pathway and moves on to a competitor with more complete data. Radical transparency about your services, locations, and costs is no longer just good customer service. It is a strict technical requirement for AI retrieval. You build that required transparency by anticipating customer needs. This means creating robust pages answering frequently asked questions before a user ever calls. A comprehensive FAQ section acts as a dense, reliable database. When a user asks an AI a highly specific edge case question, the algorithm pulls directly from businesses that have already published that exact answer. Traditional SEO often relied on creating hundreds of side topic pages designed to capture a wide net of unrelated traffic. Pumping out off-topic content dilutes your brand's core identity. It actively confuses the AI's understanding of what your business actually specializes in. Instead, you need to build a solar system of content. Every helpful article, customer review, and FAQ must stay tightly focused on your primary services. This tight clustering provides the specific data points an AI needs to verify a brand's expertise in a single focused area. By staying relentlessly focused on your core offerings, you build the algorithmic trust required for AI to confidently select your brand as the definitive expert. Back on the street, our searcher gets their answer. The algorithm selected this specific business because their site provided the clearest path to a solution, prioritizing detailed answers over keyword repetition. This means your digital strategy has to evolve. Traditional search engine optimization must now merge with AI search optimization. Success is no longer measured by how quickly you manipulate a user into clicking a link. Success is now defined by data completeness and the ability to prove your value to a machine that reads for context. Creating comprehensive, clear, and transparent answers today is the only way to successfully train the AI models that your customers will rely on tomorrow. As conversational queries replace fragmented keywords, businesses must move past simply being found and begin proving they are the definitive answer.